Hello, my name is Christina. This video was done on the backstage of one cultural program where I was painting on the surface of water with help of Ebru technique, which is about 2000 years old and comes from Middle Asia. If you want to learn more about art and step-by-step process of its creation, please keep watching. First of all, let me tell you a little bit more about the place for the shooting. This is old Ottoman Sultan's summer house. In the middle of the hall there is round marble pool, so that's where I will be painting. If you ask me, is it difficult to do Ebru in like 180 cm width pool? Like that. And I will tell you, it's probably not that hard, but if they want it to be done in 10 minutes, it becomes more challenging. The shooting was done by Ebru Production for Turkish National TV for TRT channel. It was my honor and pleasure to work with such a beautiful team. So let me tell you about my job step by step. We have to prepare about 200 liters of water. Next step is preparation and testing of pigments. Because music of the program is traditional, I had to use also traditional Turkish colors, like yellow, brown, green, turquoise, but some pink or red was crying out of me, and also like purple. I really liked to add some flowery brightness to the painting. And actually choosing the colors was one of the most difficult tasks, because all of the environment itself is like art, instruments and tails and painted walls. It's like being an interior designer in a way, because painting is a big part of space. And if you ask me what is the key of success, it is cleaning, removing the dust from the surface of water. I'm very grateful for that experience, to paint in ancient pool for the first time in the history of Ebru Art. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to comment, ask me anything, and also to like and subscribe. Thank you.